We can see screw everywhere. Today, I will be making a screw using a steel bar. Firstly, I simply get a screw and measure its diameter. It is found to be a M16 screw. So now, the diameter of the steel bar is made exactly the same with the M16 screw using the lathe, as you can see. After that, it is time for me to check out the pitch of the screw using the pitch gauge, and it is found to be 2.0. When everything is set, let's roll. After a few turns of cutting, the M16 nut can be inserted perfectly. The M16 screw. Thanks for watching.